How would you feel if you went to court and the judge showed up in an Elvis costume? What if he made you swear in to Elvis music? This is Judge Thornhill, and no, he didn't get fired just for the Elvis costume. He's been doing that for at least 10 years. It's some other stuff that got him fired from the St. Charles County Courthouse. Let's go over the charges. Judge Thornhill would routinely wear an Elvis Presley wig on or about October 31st in the courtroom, in his chambers, or in the courthouse while conducting court business. I'm not opposed to a good old Halloween costume, but that's not all he did. He also would let people swear in prior to testifying to Elvis Presley music from his phone. Kind of weird. Let's move on. He also referred to Elvis Presley during court proceedings, referring to Elvis Presley's date of birth or death when such statements were irrelevant to the proceedings before the court. This is really giving me throwbacks to watching Friends and Phoebe Buffay's doctor being so obsessed with Fonzie while she was going through labor and delivery.
Back in a minute to do your internal. In the meantime, just relax because everything here looks great. And also, I love Fonzie.
Judge Thornhill also would sometimes enter the courtroom to songs from his phone, such as Elvis Presley songs, or just play them while he was on the bench. But he wasn't kicked off just for the Elvis stuff, which is just weird. Judge Thornhill would mention his political affiliation and or his preferred candidates in contested political elections with the people in the courtroom while conducting court business from the bench. He would comment from the bench to the courtroom about where the Thornhill for Judge signs were located around the county. He would also ask if they lived in Thornhill for Judge country. Another highly inappropriate remark from the bench. Judge Thornhill also asked a petitioner if they had warmed up to Thornhill for Judge. So inappropriate, because how can you tell that he's not swayed one way or another based on whether you love Elvis Presley or live in Thornhill for Judge country? Have you seen my signs around the county? Have you warmed up to me? Do you want to hear some Elvis Presley? Not very professional. Judge Thornhill's third offense, however, occurred September 2024 in a juvenile adoption case when he hand-delivered a personal reference to another judge related to a case that he was not a part of. Apparently, it was a character reference for the petitioner to be used in the pending case to terminate parental rights and approve the adoption of a minor child. Judges are not supposed to appear as character witnesses without a subpoena. I used to live in St. Charles County, and I never had the pleasure of seeing Elvis in person at court, and I never will. Thank goodness. Again, it's not all the dressing up for Halloween. It's everything that goes along with it. In general, Judge Thornhill did not promote any kind of confidence and integrity, and it was, it's giving icky vibes. It's giving you can be swayed easily. It's giving you don't take this seriously enough.
It's not that weird, is it?
Very weird.